2026 is coming, and here's a hard truth most people don't want to hear. Next year will not reward hard workers, it will reward prepared people. Every year, the average person hopes things magically get better. But hope is not a strategy. Inflation, automation, and rising costs don't care about your intentions. So the real question is not how much money you make. It's this. What do you own mentally, financially, and strategically going into 2026? First, every successful person owns clarity. A clear monthly budget, a savings target, and a basic investing plan. No guessing, no chaos. Second, own a valuable skill. In 2026, skills pay more than degrees. One high-income skill can change your entire financial trajectory. Third, own an emergency fund. Financial peace doesn't come from earning more. It comes from knowing one problem won't destroy your life. Fourth, own an extra income stream. One paycheck is risky. Two or more creates power. You don't need to be rich to start, but you must start to ever become rich. The average person stays average because they delay. If you want 2026 to be different, subscribe to Earn More, Save More. Because smart money decisions change everything.